How to find and adjust Facebook memories settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find and adjust memory settings on Facebook. Now, the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is simply open up Facebook and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is, if you scroll down under all shortcuts, you'll find the option memories. If you don't find it here, what you can do is head into settings option there, and at here if you scroll down you'll be able to find the memories option. However, now here on, you'll most probably find it under all shortcuts. On memories, what you want to do is tap on memories here, and now here what you want to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll be able to see the memories settings. Now here you can set your Facebook memory settings notification to, if you want to get notified about all your memories or only the highlights or none, you can choose it from here. And if you want to hide it, you can choose to hide memories. You can hide it from certain people here. You can search it for the name here and you can hide it from them, or you can hide for certain dead's memories now. So this way you can find and adjust Facebook memory settings. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.